These are 3 of the coneflowers I cut off that we're going to use to collect seeds out of today.
See how easy that was? Look at that. Just with a couple pinches, almost all the seeds are off of there. Hey guys, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden.
Hi everybody, hope you're having a great day so far, and this is day 169 of
Spoken Garden Daily. So guys, we're out here in our garden because we want to share what we do every day with you so we can help you become a better gardener.
And we're so thankful you're here today watching, and go ahead and click that subscribe button down below if you haven't already so you don't miss all the daily videos that we post.
Today, on day 169, we're going over how to collect coneflower seeds from your coneflowers.
Yeah, we're gonna show you some supplies we use and the process we go through.
So guys, here we are looking at our Cheyenne Spirit coneflower, and you can see there's not many blooms left.
There's only one.
There's one.
It's so pretty though.
So you know what we did is we already went through and deadheaded it, and we got a lot of the old blooms off. We're not gonna go over that today, how you do that. If you wanna know how to deadhead your coneflowers, go to a previous episode. We'll put the link down below for you to go to, and you can find out how to actually do that on your coneflowers. But today we wanted to show you, here's what the coneflower looks like right now. It's just open and doing its thing on the plant.
These are 3 of the coneflowers I cut off that we're gonna use to collect seeds out of today. And you can see they're really dry and withered. These off and just dispose of them in your compost, or you can actually collect the seeds out of them. So just like the Crocosmia seeds we collected last week, these are the same supplies I showed you if you saw that video, because I'm so excited about all of this. So there's these cute little seed packs that we ordered on Amazon. We'll link these down below too. So we've got our coneflower seed packet ready to go. And we're gonna store them in this craft box, which is actually meant for photos. So this larger box has 16 smaller little boxes that clasp shut, and they're perfect for holding the seeds.
Oh yeah, look at that.
So we nerd out and organize things, and this was perfect for us.
So guys, now you know what we're going to use to store the seeds. How are we going to collect them? Well, first, we need to have a container to actually put the seeds in to collect them before we put them into the seed packets there. Okay guys, so let's get started. Here are the old flowers that Allison showed us before, and we've got them laid out here. Now, we're going to pick up this one. You can see this one's already actually lost a couple of its actual seeds in here because it's just kind of fallen apart as we were touching it, which is pretty cool because that shows you, that's a good indicator to say that these seeds are ready to be harvested from this withered flower. Guys, we're just gonna take this, put this over our container, and we're just gonna pinch this and start kind of pulling a little bit and pinching. And you can see when I do that, if you look down into there, if you look down into the container, you can see those are all the seeds we've collected so far, just from a couple of pinches and pulls. Isn't that cool? So if we continue to do that, we're just gonna basically take all these seeds right off of this seed head. See how easy that was? Look at that, just with a couple pinches, almost all the seeds are off of there. There's gonna be some left, and we're not gonna try and get all of them because we've got a couple other heads here to get the seeds from, so we're not gonna worry about getting everything from this one. So I'm gonna take this, we're done with this one. I'm gonna set it to the side. So you can see on this flower head, we've got the center. These are the disc flowers, and on the side, we've got these what they call ray flowers. And so these are the actual colorful petals that you see. And just to give you some information here, if you haven't heard us talk about this before, daisy type flowers, plants in the daisy family, have a similar flower structure where the seeds are all produced on the center of the flower, on this raised head area. And so the seeds aren't gonna be from these petals. And so what you can do if you really wanna keep it nice and clean and stuff, is before you take the seeds out of the center, you can take these and just pull these off. And then you don't even have to deal with them while you're getting those seeds, harvesting the seeds from the actual flower. So we're just gonna take these off. If you don't, and they get down into here, that's fine. Don't worry about it, it's no big deal. They're not gonna hurt anything. So okay, so here's our second flower. We're gonna take these, and we're just gonna start pulling. So guys, you can see it was kind of hard for me to get these out of here, to get these supposed seeds out of here. The reason is there's still a lot of moisture in this seed head, and these aren't actually ready to go yet. They're not dry enough. And so this is really pliable, it's really soft in my hand right now, and that's a clear indication that this seed head isn't really ready to have its seeds harvested yet. We need to wait and let this dry out. We'll check this flower head in a couple days and see if it's dry enough to actually harvest these seeds. So guys, we're gonna try our next one and see how that's doing. I'm getting, okay, so I just pulled this off, but I took a little bit of effort. This one also needs to dry out a little bit more before we actually harvest these seeds. So again, I'm gonna set this aside. We'll check it in a couple days and see if it's ready to go. But guys, in the meantime, look at all the seeds we just harvested.
How many do you think are in there?
I mean, I would say there's at least probably maybe 100.
Oh my gosh.
I mean, isn't that crazy?
That's
I mean,
amazing.
there's a lot of little plants, potential plants in there.
Just think of all those coneflowers we're gonna grow.
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Cool.
Yeah, what a cool learning opportunity, you guys. I'd never seen that before, and now I know I thought all the coneflowers were ready to harvest, but they're not.
Nope, they all mature a little bit differently at a different rate, so it's just good to check them before you actually start harvesting the seeds. Yeah guys, a good way to check your coneflowers to see if they're ready to harvest is do kind of what we did and just look at it, try and pull on it. If there's a lot of resistance on those seeds to actually pull away from the head, it's not ready yet. If they're really pliable and they're kind of soft, they're not really rigid, they're not ready yet. So those are two good ways to figure out if you can harvest the seeds.
But that's great. You can just put them off to the side. You're not going to hurt them. They're just going to keep drying out, and then you can harvest them.
So guys, leave your comments and questions down below for us. We love hearing from you. Give us that thumbs up, let us know we're doing a good job, and subscribe to our channel so you get updates on our latest videos.
That's a wrap for today, you guys, and stay tuned because we're going to have a lot more seed collecting videos coming up over the next few weeks because it's the season. And you guys, don't forget, we're going live tomorrow right here on YouTube, and we'll be here at 5 o'clock Pacific Standard Time, ready to go. So we would love to see you here. Come join us.
Till then guys, have a great day and we'll see you tomorrow.
Bye everybody.
Bye-bye.